All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. I want to take a look at IMX. There were some things that I was looking at on the chart that have me very hopeful for this cryptocurrency over the near to medium term. If you know, in general, I am a short-term bear, but medium term, I think that altcoins can still do pretty well. And IMX is one of those that I am very, very bullish on for the next bull run, next euphoria phase, which is still a bit of a time off. But hey, if you have not watched my IMX video, in my bear market would I buy series, it is here. Just search World War Bitcoin IMX, and you can see why I am excited about this cryptocurrency, why I think it's going to do very well. It's very high on my list, perhaps top 5 of cryptocurrencies that I'm going to be loading up on, of cryptocurrencies I've reviewed already at least. And so you can understand, you can see the fundamentals more so in that video, but in particular, I want to look at the chart here. And so let me actually start out by looking at the weekly and then extending, looking more further into the daily and the 4 hour, whatever. So IMX was in a downtrend. We broke through that downtrend. I did draw another line going this way. We broke through that downtrend as well. We are in an uptrend. And then we have these levels here. And so these levels are very important to see IMX break through. And so we have range highs, range lows. This is right here a key level for me. In my opinion, if we can break through that and hold it as support, then we will have another good leg up with this cryptocurrency. And we're not going to lose any momentum. I mean, the last 7 weeks or so have been great for IMX. But there's some things on the fibs that I really am excited to show you, because it has me very hopeful about this, that we're going to be doing just fine. And so I'll show you that in a second. Daily chart, much of the same. We do have some pretty, there's going to be some resistance moving forward here. I think it's going to take some time to break through, but stochastic RSI on the daily looks good. MACD on the daily, it could cool off a little bit. We do have some time to bounce off this trend line here. So over the next several days and maybe even a couple weeks, I could see us going back down, hitting some some support here before next leg higher. And MACD would kind of encourage that. I shouldn't say encourage, kind of support that thesis of mine. But let me show you the fibs here, because this has me pretty fired up. So I already drew the fib. Let me extend this chart. And so look at what's happened over the last 3 days, 3 of the last 4 days. This is really cool. So this is why I just love finding things that are going to support a bullish thesis or a bearish thesis. I like longing, I like shorting. And so I have a fib from the cycle bottom, which happened right on December 31st of 2022, all the way up to the most recent top, which is around $1.20 on February 8th of 2023. And so ever since then, what we've seen is what I would say a textbook perfect retracement down to the golden pocket. And so, yeah, we did have some wicks below. It did look like we were going to lose that level, but then we bounced right back up and almost put in a double top. But look at this, golden pocket right at the top of the golden pocket, the 0.66 fib, 618. 0.66, 702, those are key fib levels that I'm always paying attention to. We had 1, 2, 3 bounces off of the 0.66 fib. To me, that is a very bullish indicator, saying that we have a decent amount of leg room to move up. I don't think we're going to have a fourth bounce. I think it was a great opportunity to get in on that fib level. If anything, if we're going to move back down, I would expect a bounce off of the 786, maybe the 702, but I'm going to be setting some limit orders at the 786 for a next move higher. And then from there, if we're just talking about February and March, if March is a good month, we don't have anything shocking, anything surprising, then my next target would be about $1.71 for IMX. Maybe March is a little bit too soon, but March, April, if we're going to continue this bullish momentum here, let me see, April, yeah, maybe April or May. I'm just going to say April or May, I could see IMX hitting $1.71. And that could be it as far as this bear market rally that we're in, but that would be my target as far as taking profits. We could certainly go much higher than that short term. When it comes to the bull run next time around, I'm expecting very much new all-time highs, that this is going to put in phenomenal returns, 10, 20, maybe 30x, maybe even more than that, because this is a newer cryptocurrency, and that is what newer cryptocurrencies with a lot of promise tend to do. Take a look at Polygon in 2021 and before 2021. Take a look at Solana, cryptocurrencies like that. I am looking to IMX to do something similar in that regard, that would peak much, much higher in that next euphoria phase. So keep this on your radar. I would say right now is not the best time to look for a new entry, but a limit order around $1 or $1.02, $1.03 seems like a good entry point for me. Could go a little bit lower, but I'm not going to take any chances in seeing this go back down to that 702 level or the 0.66. I don't think 0.66 is happening. So anyway, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Do you plan on buying IMX? Do you want to see it go higher? Do you expect it to go higher? I don't know how many people would want to see it go lower aside from people shorting it. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Otherwise, I will see you in another video. Peace.